You're staring at a $75 5-liter bottle of Liqui Moly with Made in Germany stamped on the label. And you're wondering if German engineering actually makes this oil worth double or triple the price of American brands like Mobil One or Pennzoil. The marketing says premium European quality. But is that real chemistry or just clever branding that convinces you to pay $15 per quart instead? If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. Today, I'm exposing exactly what makes Liqui Moly and other German oils different from mainstream brands. Whether those differences actually matter for your engine, and if the premium price delivers premium protection or just premium profits. Let's cut through the marketing and get to the chemistry. First, let's understand what Liqui Moly actually is. Liqui Moly is a German company founded in 1957 that specializes in oils, additives, and lubricants. They're well known among enthusiasts who drive German cars, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen. The brand meets strict European ACEA oil specifications that are often more demanding than American API standards. The key products are the Top Tech line, Leckloff line, and Synth Oil line, formulated for European engines with tight tolerances. They use Group 4 PAO or Group 3 Plus base stocks with proprietary additive packages and MOS2 friction modifiers. ACA requires lower ash, sulfur, and phosphorus content, called low SAPs, to protect sensitive emission systems. German oil manufacturers like Liqui Moly, Fuchs, and Ravenol formulate their oils to meet these tighter ACA specs. Compare that to a typical American synthetic like Valvoline. It meets a PISP, which is adequate but doesn't require the same low SAPs chemistry. Liqui Moly uses Group 4 PAO synthetic base stocks. PAO is lab synthesized with superior oxidation resistance and cold flow properties. So Liqui Moly's quality is comparable to premium American synthetics like Mobil One, but superior to budget synthetics. Now let's talk about the molybdenum disulfide additive. MOS2 is a solid lubricant that coats metal surfaces and reduces friction. Liqui Moly adds MOS2 to some of their formulations as a friction modifier. The theory is that MOS2 provides an extra layer of protection during boundary lubrication conditions. When the oil film is very thin and metal surfaces are nearly touching. Does MOS2 actually work? Yes, in laboratory testing, MOS2 reduces friction and wear under boundary lubrication conditions. But here's the catch. Most modern synthetic oils already contain advanced friction modifiers like molybdenum dithiocarbamate that serve similar purposes without using solid particles. MOS2 is effective, but it's not a magic bullet that makes Liqui Moly vastly superior to other premium synthetics. Additionally, some engine manufacturers specifically warn against using oils with solid additives because of concerns about filter clogging. MOS2 particles are small enough to pass through filters, but there's debate about long-term effects. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Price. Liqui Moly Top Tech costs approximately $65 to $75 for 5 liters. Mobil One Extended Performance costs approximately $28 to $35 for 5 quarts. You're paying double for Liqui Moly. Is that premium justified? For European vehicles BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, yes, Liqui Moly is formulated specifically for those engines. If your BMW requires ACSC3 low SAPs oil, Liqui Moly delivers that certification along with OEM approvals like BMW LL04. For American or Japanese vehicles designed around a PISP specifications, Liqui Moly is overkill. A quality American synthetic like Mobil One or Pennzoil meets all the requirements and costs half as much. If you drive a 2020 BMW 330i, that engine requires specific approved oil. Liqui Moly meets those specs exactly. If you drive a 2022 Toyota Camry, there's no performance advantage to using Liqui Moly. $30 oil does the job equally well. If you drive a modified performance car pushing the engine beyond stock, Liqui Moly's robust package provides excellent protection. The premium price is justified because you're stressing the oil beyond normal operating parameters. But Pennzoil, Redline, or Motul 300 volts deliver similar performance. Here's the truth about German oils. They're formulated for European market requirements stricter than American standards, for low SAPs chemistry and high temperature performance. If you're driving a European car requiring ACS specs, German oils are worth it. But for American or Japanese cars, they are expensive overkill. The Made in Germany label doesn't automatically make oil better. It means it's formulated for European conditions which might not match your engine's requirements. Fuchs is a major German company manufacturing for OEMs. Their Titan GT1 Pro delivers equivalent performance to Liqui Moly at a lower cost. Ravenol is another legitimate alternative. Ravenol VSE is popular for high-performance applications and typically costs slightly less than Liqui Moly. Non-German brands like Mobil One ESP and Castrol Edge Professional meet the same European specs and often cost significantly less. My recommendation, if your vehicle requires specific OEM approvals like BMW LL04 or Mercedes MB 229.51, use oil that strictly meets those certifications. For American or Japanese vehicles, save your money. Use quality synthetics like Mobil One Extended Performance or Pennzoil Ultra Platinum at half the cost. Change your oil frequently. Liqui Moly's extended drain claims are for European highway driving. American stop-and-go traffic degrades all oil faster. Change at 5,000 to 6,000 miles maximum. Here's the bottom line. Liqui Moly is high-quality chemistry, not just marketing, but it's specific. Buy based on your engine's actual requirements, not branding. Are you running Liqui Moly? Drop your setup in the comments below. If this saved you from overpaying, hit that like button and subscribe. I respond to every single comment.